Hello, my name is Martin Evans, and I'm an educational consultant with Turning Technologies. Before I begin this segment, let me ask, are you a visual, auditory, or kinesthetic learner? Researchers such as author James Keefe have compiled years of research which states that knowing your learning style can be a crucial component of your success as a learner. Learning style theory has been studied for nearly a century. One model is called VAK, which stands for V, visual, A, auditory, and K, kinesthetic. This model of distinguishing learning styles is credited to multiple psychologists and learning specialists, including Italian physician and educator Maria Montessori. There are other learning style models that have been developed over the years, but the VAK model is the most common. Even though some psychologists and educators are skeptical about the existence of specific learning styles, you can find references to learning styles in all aspects of pedagogy and andragogy. Back in 1998, Dr. Robert Marzano published results from a meta-study that explained having graphic and tactile representations of a subject matter had noticeable effects on learning outcomes. Clearly, including tactile or kinesthetic activities can have a positive impact on how people learn. In order to reach the kinesthetic learning style, Turning Technologies provides an instructor with a diverse set of solutions. First of all, the participant gets the experience of participating with the presentation by using a device that communicates instantly with the instructor. Let me give you an example. Here's a presentation about baking a cake. As I go through my presentation, I decide that I would like to pose a question. I simply launch Turning Point Anywhere and ask the question. What flavor frosting do you prefer on your chocolate cake? I push play on the show bar and participants respond. The kinesthetic learner now has a chance to accomplish a task during the instruction. Here's another example. Let's say I'm not doing a slide-based presentation, but facilitating the viewing of a training video, an activity that stimulates the visual and auditory learner. After watching a video segment, I pose a question to check for understanding, using the play button on the floating show bar and collecting responses, now involving participants of all learning styles. Turning Technologies allows the instructor to include activities conducive to any learning style without the instructor having to add hours of planning and preparation. This type of incorporation helps the instructor reach the entire audience and create a truly interactive presentation. In other words, it allows the instructor and the learner to have their cake and eat it too.